Yeah, guys. Hey, can I get a holler? Woo! Are you guys all ready to run?
Yeah!
All right, one more question. Are you guys all going to be pumped when we get to the finish line?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah, there you go. Woo! So how many years have you guys ran?
First time.
First time? First time?
Now, there you go. There's a costume for the costume.
Second time? 10 years? 20 years? Yeah, rock star. Woohoo!
At 10:15, we will have an awards ceremony, and we're going to have a costume contest as well. The theme, of course, is the 70s, because the Sound and Arrow started 40 years ago in 1973. It's like the red wave has sprung a leak, and the yellow just keeps coming out. All right. All right, red wavers, start walking up to that start line there. All right.
All right.
How many of you runners in the red wave are doing the Sound and Arrows for the very first time? Years, and it's your first time. How many of you in the red wave were not alive in 1973?
Almost.
See, that's just mean. That is just mean. You're making me feel really old. How many of you were not alive in 1963? You're killing me. You're killing me. You're killing me. How about 53? Okay. I'll admit it, I was born in 56. I'll admit it. 73, I was a junior in high school, the first year of the Sound and Arrows. And I became your official race announcer in 1985, 27 years ago, you guys. Thank you all for being here. The Roman Meal Centurion is your official starter. Oh, careful, he's got a sword. No one starts early. We are 1 minute to the start of the race.
1 minute, let's back off the mat.
Again, on 5 Mile Drive, there are a couple of speed bumps, so be aware of the speed bumps. Cross those carefully. As you guys see the time being called out at the mile post, subtract 10 minutes. Subtract 10 minutes. That will give you an accurate time. 45 seconds. Let's clear the roadway. The red wave is getting ready to go. Red wave of our 40th annual Roman Meal Sound and Arrows. Listen for the sound of the air horns.
All right, it'll be a couple more minutes.
25 seconds.
You had to do that in case you didn't see you at the end.
Listen for the sound of the air horn.